Over a year ago, Samuel Warren Jr. nominated Mr. Leroy Harper for the National Rock Star Custodian Award. This past October, Leroy Harper was selected as one of the 5 national finalists. Over 100,000 votes were cast. 42,198 of those votes were cast by the community of Chesapeake, Virginia, and you are guessing right, for Mr. Leroy Harper. Leroy, I would like for you to please accept this certificate, which reads, "The Academy of Cleaning Excellence is proud to recognize Leroy Harper as the national winner of the Rock Star Custodian Award for 2022. Leroy Harper was nominated as having the 9 personality traits outlined in the Rock Star Custodian program. This award acknowledges Mr. Harper's devotion to keeping Hickory High School safe and healthy during his career at Chesapeake City School District. On behalf of Gym Supply and as the director of the Academy of Cleaning Excellence, may I also present to you this trophy to mark this momentous occasion. Leroy Harper, you will always now be known as the National Rock Star Custodian for 2022. Congratulations."